front of me is HONOR X70i, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Accessibility Features. Then choose one-handed mode here and use this switcher to activate it. Then follow all of those instructions. If you are using Tricky's navigation, you need to slide your finger across the bottom of the screen. If you are using gestures, do the same, just at the end hold for a second. So when I slide, as you can see, I need to hit got it and one-handed mode is on. If you want to go back, click on black area. If you want to change placement of your screen, and just swipe if in an opposite direction, like that. If you want to disable one-handed mode completely, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!